Hello students, this is your professor giving you a little video tutorial so that you learn how to format your paragraphs in my class. So the first thing that you would need to do is have 1-inch margins, right? Like right about there. And let me show you what I mean by 1-inch margins right here. That's how it's the default. Always on our word processing. So write your name in the first space, then write my name, and then the class and the date. Notice that for the date, I want you to write the month, and then the day with a comma, and then a year. So let's suppose that you wanted to change that to write out the date. Let's suppose this is when you're handing in your assignment. That's how you would do it, always using capital letters for the month. All right. So then you would center the title and have it right about here, using again capital letters for the major words of a title in English. This is the rule. So then you want to use enter, right? And you're going to get this space. And notice how the paragraph is written in single space. You're never going to do that. You are always going to make sure your paragraphs are in double space. Notice how much easier it is to read. So once you do that and you indent, right, the first line of your paragraph, you always have to do that for every new paragraph. You indent the first line, and then you're going to use a font that is clear, like the one I am using here. This is Arial number 12. It's a fine font at size 12. You don't need to make it any larger than that. And then you're going to set your entire document to double space, like I just did, to keep the writing clear, right? And avoid strains on the reader's eyes. Your sentences are going to be hopefully using correct grammar, capital letters, and punctuation. I missed the comma there. So also you're going to remember to include the information required in an organized and well-developed paragraph. And once you finish, you can save the paragraph as a PDF, right? Or you can simply attach the document. But one thing is important is that you're going to always write using Word and attach either a PDF or a document in our page on Blackboard. So if you're on Blackboard, I want you to go ahead and click on this link or copy paste so that you can watch the video on how to submit an assignment on Blackboard. All right, let me know if you have any questions, but basically this is the correct format for all of your work in my class, all of the written assignments.